Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And this month, I'm super excited about this one. Let me tell you first, this is the club set that ships at the 1st or on the 6th of the month, so the beginning of the month. This is not our Scripture Club set. If you would like to join the Stamp Club, the information for that is in the description below. You get the stamps as they're first released. You get a discount on your stamps and discount on future purchases in our store. Now, this set is one I've wanted in my collection for a very long time, but it just never was the right time for me to do it. And now that we've gotten a lot of our basics underway, we're able to bring some more of these kind of just fun sets for you. And I love how this one looks, and I think you're going to like it too. So let me show you what it is. This one is called Up, Up, and Away. Now check this out. This is a hot air balloon builder. I've heard from you guys that you don't all love the layering because layering can be kind of difficult for you. This one is more of a builder, more of a stamp beside and above situation. And I'm going to film myself stamping it and let you watch me. I think today, and I think this one is more important than me to show you samples, is for me to show you how to use the set. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Now let's talk about this first. Let's look at the sentiments. So the first one you get is soaring by to say, and it goes with all of these. The sky is the limit. The best is yet to come. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Thank you. You also get Up, Up, and Away and hoping this card lifts your spirits. I thought that was really cute. And we're really trying to give you on every set something that can go on the inside or something that is specific for card making, because that's kind of what we focus on. So what happens is all these pieces stamp to build your balloon, and then you even have extra pieces. This little bow, a little dot, a little star, a little heart, and I'll show you what those are for. All right, let's start stamping. So just got a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of cardstock here. I'm going to use these blocks, and I'm going to start with, I want to show you. Let me pull my little stamp set over here. This is where I'm going to start my stamping. Okay, this is kind of the base, or the most complete part of the balloon is this one. The reason for that is this outer edge on both sides are the outermost point of the bottom of our balloon. So you see that? So that's really the largest part. So I'm going to start with this one. Let me find some colors. So I'm going to be using some Versaclear colors, and I'm just going to play. I don't know what it's going to end up looking like. This color here is called Glamorous. So I'm going to ink this bottom portion up. Now this is the first time I have stamped this stamp, so it's not seasoned in any way. So it might not be the most perfectly crisp, clear image at this point, but we're going to see what we get. So you stamp this one down, just like so. Let that ink transfer, especially on these bolder stamps. You don't have to lift up straight away. So there's our first image. And then we're going to do the around it piece. I think I'll do it in pink. I think that'll be cute. Or do I want to do it in orange? I don't know. We're just playing. We'll see what happens. All right, so I'm going to go to my second piece, which is this guy. This one's going to live inside those lines, and that's why I wanted to do that big side, the largest one first, and then the inside. This color's pretty close. But again, we're just playing. You can do your hot air balloon any old color you want. I'm really loading the ink up. Now this guy is just going to nest inside that last image. So you just lay it down, let the ink transfer. We did big, bold images to make it easy for you, okay? So there's your base of your hot air balloon. My colors are really, really close together. I should have chose different colors, but I didn't. Okay, so now let's do another part of the stamp, and that's where we're going to start to do these guys. I'm going to start building upwards, okay? So I'm going to use this little guy. Now this one, the plan for this little image right here is for you to be able to stamp inside of it. Those sentiments will fit in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on a press so I can move it into place. Honestly, when you're doing a set like this, using your press is a better way to do this than like I am. I'm just kind of stamping it on separate blocks. But if you use your press, you can move this guy around right into position. And I'm even going to get up and look over it, which is what I would suggest you guys do. And just move that right into position, just like that, and then stamp it down. Isn't that cute? So there's your next layer, and now we need to do one more layer. And again, I want to use my press for it, so I'm going to clean this one real quick. So now I've got my top for my balloon on my press, and I'm going to use the color Summertime for the top. Just playing with color. I don't know how it's going to turn out. We'll see. One thing I noticed about this is Your pastel colors look really good on this balloon, and when you see the other little images and how they work together, you'll get that too. You'll see why those pastels look so great. Okay, this one goes at the top. I'm going to stand up and look over it, just like I would suggest you guys do, so I can make sure I can get it the right spot. I think that's about right. Let's stamp it. Look at our balloon. It's so cute. Okay, now then, let me cover this ink before I put my arm in it. Now we get to do all the super fun parts. This is the little grid that goes over our little balloon area. Let me show you how that one works. I'm going to do it with my VersaClear. Not VersaClear, my VersaFine Onyx Black. So I'm going to ink this guy up really well. And then using my press again, because I'm wanting to line up, okay? So I'm going to line this up like this. I'm going to look over it and press it into place. Don't overpress this one. This is little dots, and if you overpress, you'll kind of flatten them out, and you don't want to do that. Look how cute that is. I'm loving it. Okay, next one. So the lines are what I'm going to do next because I want to know where to put my basket. So if I stamp my basket too soon, I won't know exactly where to place it. So these are the little lines that look like it's holding the balloon down. And now I'm just going to line it up with the bottom of that yellow that we did right there, and then kind of around the basket. These don't line up perfectly. These lines are supposed to look like they're ropes, and they're kind of loose, and you see how they kind of loosely hold your balloon? That's what they're supposed to look like. I am loving this stamp set. Okay, now then, let's do the basket. I'm going to try to do the basket in two browns. This brown is acorn, or as we affectionately call it, a corn. And what I'm going to do is here at the bottom, I'm just going to line that up with my little ropes, and I'm just going to stamp that. I'm not using my press this time. I don't really feel like I need it. See how it's just at my little ropes right there? That's perfectly fine. And now I'm going to stamp the second layer of the stamp. And I think I can do it with my little 1-inch block. Yep. All right, and I'm going to do it in the darker brown. This is going to get you that layered look of the basket. You might even want to do it in the black, but this is a pretty dark brown. And then you're just going to put it over the top of your little basket layer. You need to get over it so I can see what I'm doing. So now you have a little, oh, it's so cute. I'm just loving it. Look how cute that is. Okay, now then, let's do a sentiment and let's do some little decorating. So to show you how all of these fit, see how this all fits in the little yellow like that? Now, they're loose, so I want you to pay attention. Like the happy birthday may hang down or up. Ooh, I'm out of the shot. Okay, real quick, I want to show you this. So all of your sentiments can live right inside that little part of the basket. But one thing I want to show you is like happy birthday. It's a very loose image, and we did that on purpose because these little ropes are not perfect. We wanted to give you the opportunity to kind of have a loose look through here too and not be this perfect shape inside there. So let's do happy birthday. Everybody asked me for birthday cards. Everybody. We need more birthday stamps, birthday stamps. By the way, next month's my birthday, so what you think you're going to get in the club set? Who knows? Who knows? We'll see. All right, I'm going to do this one in the Onyx Black so you can really see it. And I'm just going to stamp it right inside here. And you'll see what I mean by it's very loose. It is not this perfect fitty inside there. I wanted it to be kind of loose, okay? Now let's do some of the fun stuff. The bow. I think the bow is my favorite, and I want to show you this. Okay, so I'm going to put the bow on my little block, and I'm going to ink it up in black. And then everywhere a rope touches, I'm going to put a bow. You don't have to do it everywhere. You can just do the inside and the outside. See that? Matter of fact, I think I will. I'm going to do the inside and the outside, and then I'll go back and show you the other pieces too. That way I'm not having to do, all the pieces everywhere. Okay, so let's do a polka dot. So this little dot can be stamped right where this meets. Ooh, I need to be over the top of this. So right where that meets. See that? Isn't that cute? It just dresses up your balloon just ever so much. Those little dots. You can also do the heart. Let me bring it over. This little heart. I'm going to move it where I can see it really well. Okay. So you can do the little heart where they meet. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then you still have the star. And you can put the star anywhere you want. I'll show you a couple spots I would put it. So my little star, I'm going to put one right here. And then I'm going to put one over here. How cute is that little builder? It's so cute. Now, I do wish I had stamped this one in a little bit different colorway. So I'm going to do it again in a different colorway and let you guys watch me. Now that I've walked you through it, look at that ink on my finger. Got to get that off of me. Now that I've walked you through it, you can see how it works. So let's do it in another color. You guys, look how cute that is. I'm going to bring this to the camera because I want you to see the colors. Look how pretty it is. I just love it. I love how it turned out. I love these clouds. You're going to be able to use these clouds for so many things. And can you imagine using the clouds and the tiny star and making like a background with that too? So cute. I love this stamp set. I think you guys are going to get so much use out of it. And I hope me taking the time to show you how to stamp it all out will help. There's so many things you can do. I can't wait to see it. And you know, we have a contest in our customer gallery every month for a $50 gift card, and all you have to do to enter is share your projects that you make using this stamp set. Now, we had a winner last month as well, and their information will be in the description below, so just hit the show more button so you can see the winner from last time. I'm filming before that contest is over, so I don't know who won it yet, but I will be sure to put their name in the description, and we will always email the winner as well. So there you go, guys. Up, up, and away. You guys are going to love this one. Be sure to put your contest entries on our website, on our customer gallery. So go to maymaymadeit.com In the More tab, you'll see Gallery. You want to click on Gallery and upload your projects. I can't wait to see them, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this. This is really a fun set. You can see I had too much fun stamping it. Here's my second one. I want to see if you guys are like this. I never loved my first one. My first one's always my test. I'm in love with my second one. Look how cute it is. Changing that colorway really, really changed it up. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club. Thank you if you decide to join our club. We'd love to have some new members. We'd love to have you guys in the club, and all the information about that is below. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.